So the next step is just to display this grayscale image in color. And so we're going to use this palette, even though we talked about how it's not colorblind friendly. So as an example of universal design, this is not that. This is not a good example of universal design at all. So, but we're going to use it because it's a bit of a convention, and also you'll maybe appreciate using it because I'm going to give you this whole snippet. I went ahead and identified the colors and did the color sampling work for you. And then the idea is that here's the palette that's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. And we're going to use these colors on a display range that goes from 0 to 6 or 7 numbers, because that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we then bring that into here and paste it in and hit run, I'm going to just add the layer that's called burn severity classes. And if you're following my naming conventions, this should run for you. And it's going to draw that burn and then give it that title and give you something that looks like this. And uh, and it's going to look funky if you still have the classify test underneath it because it's partially opaque. And so this is now where I'm going to go here and say that should be false. Is that fair? Because the this grayscale image is going to affect the saturation and make it look kind of flat and weird. Um, and I have it slightly transparent. And the reason for that is something that for some reason I didn't do earlier. But way back here, when we center the object, let's go ahead and add a map, set options, and type in terrain and use Google's terrain-based map rather than, because that's going to give us a quick view of the topography, which I think is helpful. And then by having it slightly transparent, it kind of burns in the topography a little bit and helps you kind of see the ruggedness of the terrain. At least that's what I was going for. So that should be that step. And I'm going to save. And the reason why I put it all the way, yeah, I usually set the base map right after I center. And I think it's good practice. So I've saved that and I'm going to keep